it.
What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I am going to talk about a long-awaited tutorial that I've been planning to make for a long time. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a B-twist in my way, how I learned to do a B-twist, and I'm going to talk about the things that make a B-twist, or aka butterfly twist, a butterfly twist, and some things that can help you along the journey to get this move and other higher level moves. So it's been a while since I made a tricking tutorial. Hopefully the quality of these videos are going up because I look back at some of my other videos and they're not so great. So maybe I'll do some revamps on those too in the future. But anyways, let's start with my B-twist journey and why this I feel like is a hard move to get if you don't understand. And I'll talk about kind of how I got to understand it too. Landing my first B-twist actually took me a long time. When I first started tricking, I didn't have a lot of foundation or basis for kind of plyometric jumping type sports. So it took me like a whole year and a half before I got my B-twist. And every time it's because my momentum was wrong. I was just doing the move wrong, and every time I threw it, I would just throw it and eat it, you know? So it's important when you're going for a new trick to kind of understand the trick, understand what you're going for, and understand how your body kind of works. What is a B-twist? Well, it gets its name from butterfly kick. So the prerequisite move for this is a butterfly kick. If you don't know this move, you gotta learn it. It'll help you a lot. But it's a butterfly kick with the twist at the end. So like a twist in midair almost. Butterfly kick is the foundation for this move. I'm gonna kind of teach you guys a different way to learn it because it keeps the core principles the same. But yeah, so how did I actually learn a B-twist? Well, I learned B-twist from a move called the misleg B-twist. Now these two moves are basically identical, except the misleg is a transition. I'm not gonna get too technical about it, but it's essentially when you have a foot you normally put down. Instead of putting it down, you keep it up and it transfers momentum into the next move. That would be like a misleg B-twist, misleg 9 or something like that. Any misleg variants, there's a lot of them, but it's how I learned my B-twist because it teaches you the very two important things about a B-twist, which is just the lift and the twist. Everything else is like excess variable, excess momentum, which might throw you off. So how do you learn a misleg B-twist? Well, I would recommend you start in kind of a T body position. So you have one leg, you're balancing on one leg, keeping that leg straight, and then your head or your torso or whatever, and your foot, your knee, your lower limb kind of creates a T shape. This is basically your starting position. And essentially what you're gonna do is basically a one-legged jump from here. One-legged jump is your lift, and at the vertex, you want to twist. That's how you do a misleg B-twist, ideally. This is going to be a lot harder than a B-twist, but if you're able to do this B-twist, you'll be able to land 100%. So it's a training technique, a training tool, and I think it's actually easier than a B-twist, not physically, but I think it's easier in terms of like mentally. You only have to focus on two things, the lift and the twist. From here, you are in your T-body position. I want you guys to practice the lift several times, maybe 10 times, 20 times, as much as you can get comfortable with. And at the top of your jump, your single-legged jump, try and get your knee in towards your chest or your torso or whatever. So basically you're just practicing one-legged jumps, getting used to the feel. If you can keep your leg up in that T-body position, you'll be in good shape for the misleg B-twist. Now, how do we actually twist? Well, something to get used to this is I'd recommend you actually fall a couple of times. Falling is very important in tricking and allows you to get used to the movement. This is a fairly safe movement. You're gonna fall on your side, and it's very rare for you to get like hurt. Don't quote me on that. It's very rare for you to get hurt from a move like this because it's so small. You're not doing much. You're just going up and around. So just even take it at slow. You can do some rolls at first, but just try falling on your side, getting used to your side. But then ideally to do the actual move, we'd want to lift and then twist at the very top or a little before the very top of this move. Somewhere around that. Sometimes it can help you to think about twisting earlier. Sometimes it can help you to think about twisting later. But just throw the move a couple times. Misleg B-twist kind of breaks it down for you already, so you only have to think about jump, twist, like I said before, and just getting used to the falling. Okay, so the next step would be landing the misleg B-twist. How do we land? Well, essentially, if you've tried it a couple times, you understand you're very close to landing already. All you have to do is get that leg under you. Once you've gotten over the fear part of falling and trying it a couple times, just getting your right or left leg. I'm a right twister, so my right leg would be my landing leg. But if you twist the other way, your left leg would be your landing leg. Just getting that under your body and landing properly, exactly how you started, is the way to land this move basically. Another technique to practice landing would be kind of the walkover method. where you have both feet on the ground, maybe even your hands on the ground, almost like a push-up position, but one knee is raised and bent, and that would be your landing leg. And all you're gonna do is just push off. You're keeping your straight leg on the ground while you turn over, and you're basically just walking around, twisting around to get a feel for how you would actually land. This is a really good drill to do. You can do it multiple times. And once you apply it, that's exactly how it would feel to just land this, just in midair, you know? So missed-leg B-twist might be a little hard from standing at first. What I would recommend is you take a Euro step or even a scoot into it if you can scoot. The way you would do this is you would scoot, stop your momentum a little bit early, and then break it down into a missed-leg B-twist. Honestly, this might be harder than just doing a missed-leg B-twist or a B-twist normally, so take that into account. But this drill will help you because it'll get you a new move too. If you've landed your missed-leg B-twist now, or you're at least close to landing your missed-leg B-twist, you could probably actually land a normal B-twist because a normal B-twist is actually easier. This is just how I kind of broke it down in my mind. Essentially, what I want you to do is throw away the spin step. Don't do the spin step mainly because it's going to throw you off. This is something I didn't understand very early on. When I did the spin step, I got lost, I got confused because I was turning in multiple directions. Instead, it might be actually easier to do the B-twist standing. If it doesn't work for you, that's okay, just use your spin step, you know what I mean? So to land your B-twist, I would start with your dip, turn all the way around as if you are going for a B-kick, and then hit that T-body position. It's really important that you do this because this is exactly how your missed leg B-twist is, and getting your leg to get up attributes to your lift, which will really help you with this move. So hit that T-body position, turn all the way around, and then just do your missed leg B-twist from there. You do this a couple of times, you add the momentum instead of waiting and pausing for too long, and then you'll have it. That's basically your B-twist. It's a super simple move once you break it down. If you ever get confused or ever get lost, just go back to the missed leg B-twist steps or go into the walkover steps because that is exactly how the move should feel. Hopefully this helps you guys. I honestly think the missed leg B-twist route is the way to go, but if the missed leg B-twist route is too hard for you, you don't get enough momentum and it's too much focused on strength, what I'd recommend you guys to do is just to do your normal B-twist like you would your B-kick, but then apply the things I talked about in your missed leg B-twist, which is the lift and the twist. All you have to do is get into that T-body position, lift up, turn, and then you'll have a pretty good shot of landing it. The rest is just kind of feeling it out, repetition, practice. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. I'll be making more tricking or physical therapy related content in the future. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.